In this video, I will show you how to construct a tangent line to a circle. A line that is tangent to the circle that goes through a given point. Now, a tangent line is a line that just barely touches the circle, and in fact, it only touches the circle at a single point. So if I were to just estimate, my ruler is now showing you approximately where the tangent line would be. See how it would just barely touch the circle. But we're not just going to go like this and draw a line. We're not going to estimate. We're going to construct it using a compass and the straight edge. So the first thing you want to do is connect the center of the circle with the point through which you want your tangent line. So connect these 2 points to form a segment like this. All right, now that you have a segment connecting the point and the center of the circle, we're going to go ahead and construct the perpendicular bisector. In my class, sometimes we call this the fish, because the perpendicular bisector starts off with a little construction that reminds us of a fish. So the way you construct a perpendicular bisector is you make your compass more than halfway. So you put your compass at the first point, and then you open it so that it is more than halfway to the second point. And then you go ahead and draw an arc. So we'll just draw an arc like this. And then we can jump over to the second point and draw another arc that overlaps it. Okay, so those overlapping arcs sort of remind us of a fish. Now, go ahead and draw the perpendicular bisector through the fish, like this. So this is the perpendicular bisector of the original segment that we created. Now, what we need is the midpoint that's going to be right here in the center of the fish. We'll need that for our last arc. Because next you want to go ahead and put your compass at the midpoint and adjust the width of the compass so that it is to the center. All right, so extend your compass between the midpoint and the center of the circle. And then go ahead and draw an arc that passes through the center of the circle, like this. Now, that last arc has 2 intersection points. It touches the circle here and here. Those 2 points will actually be the points of tangency when we draw our tangent line from the given point. So basically, we can now go ahead and draw a tangent line. So if I draw a line from the given point through that intersection point, that is our tangent line. And we could make another tangent line on the lower side in the same way. All right, and that is how you construct a line that is tangent to the circle through a given point. All right, let's go ahead and practice that one more time. I have one more circle sort of set up for this purpose. Let's practice one more time. So again, the first thing you do is connect the given point with the center of the circle. Sorry about the bell. When you're in a school, you got to deal with bells. Anyway, so we've connected those 2 points, so we have this segment. Next, we're going to construct the perpendicular bisector by drawing the fish. So remember, when I say we're going to draw that perpendicular fish, we're going to set our compass to be more than halfway. And then we'll make an arc from the first point, like this. And then we will change our compass to the other point, and we will make another arc like this. All right, so you can see the fish right here. So next we will go ahead and draw the perpendicular bisector using the fish. Now, what we really needed from that perpendicular bisector is the midpoint, which is right here. Because the last step is to draw an arc from the midpoint that passes through the center of the circle. So go ahead and adjust your compass. All right, place your compass at that midpoint, but then change the width of the compass so that it is at the center of the circle. All right, so now go ahead and draw an arc that passes through the center of the circle like this. Now, that arc that passes through the center of the circle has two intersection points. I can see that it intersects the circle right here, and it intersects the circle right here. Those two intersection points will be the points of tangency. So we can now go ahead and draw a tangent line through that point. So draw a line from the given point through the point of tangency, and you've constructed a tangent line. And then we could do the same thing. There's another tangent line that we could draw through the other intersection point. So again, that is how you construct a line that is tangent to the circle through a given point. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Go ahead and click here in the red apple to watch the next video. Click in the green apple to subscribe, or click the yellow apple for the full playlist.